Idalia is expected to ramp up as it gets closer and closer to Florida's Gulf Coast. Peyton Domschke is tracking the storm. As we know, it's expected to significantly ramp up before hitting Florida's Gulf Coast. Peyton, when are we expecting Idalia to make landfall at this point? I know it changes often, but what about right now?
It does. And here's the thing is Idalia is still in the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico. This is expected to make landfall as a major Category 3 storm at some point tomorrow morning. So we still have time, but this is actually one of their local radar products on top of the actual position of Idalia right now. You can see the outer rain bands working into Tampa all the way down to Fort Myers, Naples, Key Largo too. That's the dirty side of the storm, meaning storm surge is a huge threat. Same thing with even severe weather potential. The latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center at 2 p.m. puts sustained winds at about 90 miles per hour. You have to think about just how warm the water is in the Gulf of Mexico. It is bath water, and that's what these storms are going to continue to fuel off of. Rapid intensification is expected as this approaches landfall at about 8 tomorrow morning. We're going to fine-tune that exact track as things get a little closer, but right now we're talking about east of St. Mark's, somewhere in the Big Bend area of Florida. This will then zoom through, producing a whole lot of rainfall for folks through the southeast, and then it shoots back out into the open waters of the Atlantic, still maintaining tropical storm status here. For us, though, I want to put into context what this means to Northeast Ohio. Often we can get remnant moisture all the way up to the Buckeye State. We have this stalled front that's going to hold things down to the south and east, and that's exactly where things are going to hold. We do not see any remnant moisture from Idalia whatsoever. This enters back into the open waters of the Atlantic and has no eye set to Northeast Ohio. So your next at 4 for this evening, because today's been gorgeous. Temperatures hold in the upper 70s for at least the next couple of hours. We do have a cold front that's set to approach closer to midnight. I'll time out the tracking of that. And when we could see, Laura, a few showers associated with that front as well.
All right, Peyton, busy day for you guys. Thank you so much.